Whereas POIs is one of Australia's most comprehensive point of interest databases. It has over 1 million points of interest. It's designed to complement the range of Whereas StreetNet and UBD products to offer a complete geospatial solution.
Okay, so the key stages in making the POI database are data sourcing, formatting, geocoding, removing duplicates, quality assurance, and outputting, including our extended attribute information.
We start with data sourcing, and it involves Yellow Pages data, but also a lot of other third-party data sources, so anything from petrol stations to hotels, payphones, all sorts of different things.
Yeah, so we have a lot of different suppliers who give the data to us all in different formats. So we need to standardise that and make sure the data is consistent.
And we bring all of that data into our database, and we compile it, basically format it, so that it's all in the same format for our navigation database. Once we've done all that, we can close our database and start on the geocoding. The auto geocoding process is accurate. It goes along with our roads, and the manual geocoding process is obviously even more accurate because it's had that human element to it. Someone's actually seen the POI at that spot using aerial imagery.
The total number of POIs in our database is over 2 million, and we publish about half of those. I think the biggest thing for us has been the capture of video data with the field teams, because that gives us a really good reference to locate businesses exactly where they need to be. So our research team have 2 vehicles, the Hawkeye capture system involved. So those 2 vehicles have 5 cameras, 3 facing forwards, 2 facing backwards, and they'll capture GPS data of the roads with the video data to match into it.
Our points of interest team has a range of skills. We have project managers, we've got data analysts, GIS technicians, data sourcing manager, and a number of QA specialists as well.
Producing the POI product starts with either the research team or our POI data providers. We then have a team of analysts who take that data and format it. We then output that, which goes to product line team who generate the final product.
A day in the life of Tam, wow, okay. My day at work is ever changing. Sometimes I'm working on the build, but quite often I'm also working on scope and maintenance tasks, so other projects that we run in parallel with our normal POI build. The best part of my role is probably I do a lot of problem solving, so we get a lot of issues in the database, any sort of why is this way, or and my job involves going in and delving into that and finding out the actual source and the cause of those problems. Yeah. I think if the POI was a famous person or actor, it would have to be Matt Damon. I'm thinking Bourne Supremacy, that sort of thing, where he's really accurate and focused.
If POIs were a famous person, it would be Steve Buscemi, because he's never going to be a leading actor, but performs an excellent supporting role.